On December 8th, I made a Chancery Truth is in your face. You choose not to see it video, and I'm going to share it again. And then I'm going to share how this all ended up. Now, I also have about probably 5 to 10 other Chancery court explanations, trials, lawyers, opinions, facts, videos as well in my playlist somewhere. I don't know. But I've done a lot of videos on Chancery Court since I would say maybe 4 months ago. Once I really started looking into it. So here's this one.
To court for you and open a probate estate. That happens usually in the county in which the person who passed away lived, and it gets something either called the independent letters of administration or have somebody appointed as executor pursuant to the deceased person's will. Once that paperwork is completed, it gives the person the right to file the wrongful death suit. The wrongful death suit is generally filed wherever the wrongful death occurred. It could be in that county, but it might be a different one. The attorney will need to go through and diagnose what the causes of death were and who the proper defendants were and get the litigation going and potentially file other counts as well, survival actions, parental contribution acts, and things of that nature. It can get a little bit complicated, so you'll probably need to talk with an attorney to make sure the paperwork's done correctly.
Okay, now let's talk about how that started. Now, with what that woman just stated in her video is exactly what Teresa Martin did. Okay, she went in, she filed, but then what did they do? They got a protection order against her to where she couldn't come on to the premises or within any way around the grounds of Crown Plaza, which was allowed right here. And all of them were allowed since 1018. So that explains why her and the protesters are not right up on the CP. It's because they can't be. But in the Chancery Division, the woman before this, the attorney states why she would need to do Chancery Court and explains it very well. That's why I used her, because she explained it exactly to the T. So that's what she did. Okay. And she fired her attorney, Mr. Rogers, and then got this beast of an attorney, being legal, which stepped in and did the right thing of what should have been done in the beginning. But what she did do is the right thing for her, herself, regarding this situation. Now, people are wondering, why is she suing? Well, because they're negligence. It's a wrongful death. It should be litigated in court. Kenneka Jenkins should have never been able to get in that freezer. There's a lot of things that shouldn't have happened that night, and they're at fault. Now let's go to her new attorney. When Beam Legal stepped in and they filed, they did it right. They placed everything down. The whys, the whats, the whos, the hows, the everything. Okay? At all times relevant, Teresa Martin was the biological mother of Kenneka Jenkins. Okay? That should tell you enough right there. You can't just go into a court or go to an attorney and file saying you're the mother without proof. They have to have proof. And that proof was provided, or this wouldn't be going on right now. But anyways, I wanted to show you a part of the Being Legal summaries of the lawsuit that is occurring at this moment, in which, again, I hope she wins, J for K. But as the biological mother, she has a right to sue. Now let's talk about the Caddyshack. Upon all information and belief, defendant MBC Rosemont LLC was an Illinois corporation doing business as Maury Brothers. Caddyshack Restaurant, hereafter Caddyshack Restaurant, in the city of Rosemont, county of Cook, state of Illinois. Caddyshack Restaurant leased premises from defendants CPO Hospitality LLC, Crown Plaza, Chicago O'Hare, and or FF Reality Ltd. So, with that being said, that is why he's involved. Because he rented out of CP. He used the same kitchen she was found in. And here we have, right here, Maury Brothers Caddyshack Restaurant has signed an agreement to lease 8,600 square feet of space located in the village of Rosemont at the Crown Plaza Hotel. That's why he's involved in the case and in the lawsuit. I have more information coming later for those who want to know, but I also want to say justice for Kenneka, and there's a reason for everything. Everything we have seen in a year is coming out, and a lot more is going to be coming out within the months ahead. That's going to shock everyone. Now, with that being said, there is 4 different companies being sued for good reason. As you know, security, CP, Caddyshack, etc. Now, with all that being said, everything that everyone has worked on for Kenneka for a year, I appreciate your dedication, and I shout you out and salute you for all you've done for her. And all those riding for her, I appreciate you too. But it's not over yet, because there's still a fight for justice. Whether it be this, or whether it be someone coming forward later, or whether it be anything that leads something to reopen this case. Am I giving up? No. Does that make me a problem? No. Makes me compassionate and caring. That was my reason for coming on here for this, and it's going to be the reason I leave here for this. So with that being said, it's not done. It's not over. It's just begun. J for K.